Hey, what's up, YouTube? Come back with another video. But hey, before I get started, go check out my girl video. She got a YouTube also. Her name is Shanta Nicole. And we just dropped a video together. I'm rating her clothes or whatever. I'll drop the link to her page in the description. So make sure y'all check that out. But anyways, today we're going to be getting into an install of some taillights I bought for my Mustang. You know, I got a 2011 Mustang California Special. Yada, yada, yada. It ain't that special. But yeah, I'm about to get into a tail light install and show y'all what it look like compared to the old ones. I mean, I like it. It turned out good. I already got one installed, but I'm gonna install one with you guys. Okay, I'm back showing you guys the differences between the stock tail light and the Vector V2. The Vector V2 is more of a 15 to 17 style tail light, and it just looks a lot better. Let's get close up on it. As you can see, it looks good versus the old faithful candy canes. Maybe tinted could have been better, but it's not a bad looking light though. But it's a terrible looking light. That makes sense. But yeah, we finna get into this install. Like I said, I already got one installed already, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the process of where the bolts is, taking the back panel out, and that's gonna be it. I'll be right back. First, we're gonna start with taking this panel out. A lot of you guys may have a bolt there, screw there. I don't have it, I don't know where it is. This is pretty banged up. I don't know why. I need to sand it down and repaint it. But anyways, you may have a tab there, which I don't have. Ash is going to buy some of those in a second. So we're finna get into this install. So with this, you just screw those out. Just pull it up. Pull it out. Make sure you unplug this plug for the light in that panel. That's it. And you just unplug this plug. If you look in there, there's a bolt there, there, and there. 11mm wrench or socket wrench, ratchet, whatever. Bolt's not that tight. Or you can use an impact gun. Me, old school, like to use my wrenches. Sometimes when taking it out, it be stuck, but you just have to angle it out straight. Nothing hard. You don't have to be a mad scientist to install these taillights at all. So push it out. Yeah, that's the driver's side out. Ugly. Okay, I'm back with the new tail light, and what I had noticed when I did the first install on these was on the driver's side is a big gap between the tail light and the trunk panel. So on this stud, I put 4 lock washers. And I'll show you why I done that in a second. Pretty simple. Plug that plug back in. Put your nuts back on. I'm ashy, I know it. It'll be okay. I don't want those. Okay, so that's done. It just hangs there. Push that back. Going back in with your panel. Pretty simple. That's it for the trunk. Bring you outside, show you what it looked like. Put your tabs back, your screws, your trunk light. I really need to paint this. This is ugly. Might get a little cold start, I don't know. Got you a little cold start in. Now I'm just about to show you all the different functions. They do dial up. That's a plus. They look good, they dial up. I like it. The brakes, they just normal brakes, they don't dial up for the brakes. And for the reverse, this goes clear or white. So this is a good setup. As you can see, the first bar on each side glows white. So I think I'm satisfied with it. Now I just need to get either a clear deck lid or a 13 to 14 deck lid to finish out the rear end. And I'll be done. Earlier in the video I did mention that the fitment was good, but right here it wasn't. So that is why I added the washers. That's why I added the washers on that one stud to bring it out, so the fitment would be perfect on both sides. And as you can see, the fitment is pretty good. Hey. Pictures coming soon. Check out my Instagram, Ken with 2 N's _S197. I'll be posting a lot these next few weeks as I do a few other mods. So just stay tuned.